Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Surya. Today we are going to discuss how to create an area chart in Excel. An area chart is nothing but a line chart. The area between the x-axis and the lines are colored. It is used to show accumulated total over time. Let's create an area chart in Excel. The table contains regional sales data. It has columns like month and three different regions, north, south, east. It represents the sales of three different regions, north, south, east from the month of January to December. Let's create an area chart for north region. Here you can see the month which represents the time interval is in the leftmost column because area chart is nothing but a line chart. Let's select month and north column, then go to insert, then recommended charts, then all chart, then area, then click OK. An area chart has been created. Let's make some changes in area chart. Let's add axis title, both horizontal and vertical axis title. Change this horizontal axis title as month and vertical axis title as sales. Let's select a chart design from here. We can create area chart for multiple factors too. That's all for this video. Thank you.